So what's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for joining. And we are starting. I'm just trying to set up some things. And yeah, so we are starting now. So you all know what we come here to do already. We are here to share our analysis and our top trade for the week and what we should be expecting for the week. All right. And as you can see here, I don't just have only USDT. I have S&P 500 gold, Euro USD, and some other instrument. Right. But we are not going to trading. We are not going to be trading everything here. We are going to be looking for few that has a high win rate setup so that we can go for it for the week. All right. We'll just be looking for 3 to 4 setup for the week, and we are good for the week. All right. So now, I believe you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, please drop fire emoji in the comment section. Let's continue. If you can hear me, drop fire emoji in the comment section. Let's continue. Okay, guys. So if you can hear me, drop fire emoji in the comment section. Let's continue. If you can hear me, can I see some fire emoji in the comment section before we continue? Can I see some fire emoji in the comment section where you are joining me from before we continue? Right? Can you drop your location and some fire emoji? Let me know where you guys are joining me from. All right, King. Thank you for the fire emoji. Thank you for the fire emoji, guys. Can I see some more fire emoji before we continue? I'm only seeing one fire emoji here. Can I see some? Can I see more before we continue? Michael, thank you for the fire emoji. Okay, guys, so let's continue. As you all can see, you all know what we are here for, right? We are here to share our top trade for the week and the market we should be looking for the week, all right? So, first of all, I'm going to start with US30, as you guys can see here. So, I'm going to go to the daily time frame. This is a new week, right? So I'm going to go to the daily time frame here, and what I have to do is simple. We are going to mark the daily support and also the daily resistance, all right? So I'm going to change that color. I just turned this chart from the black to white right now. That's why the settings are still on white. So we have a daily resistance here, daily resistance key level. Sorry, daily support, not the resistance. So we have a daily support there around there, and okay, I'm going to change this to okay. And also we have a daily resistance here. This is just the only thing we look at for the week for the daily time frame. A daily resistance around here. Okay, key level. And I'm going to put it here. So as you guys can see right now, based on the trend of the market, US30 is currently on a what on a bullish move, all right? Based on the trend, US30 is currently on a bullish move. I'm going to look for okay, eclipse here. So as you guys can see, US30 is currently on a bullish move. That means we'll be looking more of buys this week on US30. Daily is bullish. Now we are going to check the 4 hour time frame to see the trend of the market from there too. All right, so we have our daily resistance here and we have our daily support here. And right now, US30, before US30 changed from a bearish move to a bullish move, US30 gave us a pattern which is called the inverse head and shoulder. So we have a shoulder here, we have head, then we have the next shoulder here before you start to start moving to the upside, right? So now that means this is the neckline of the head and shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder. This is the neckline here, just like this, all right? So now on that neckline right now, what is the market giving to us? The market is giving us a series of higher highs and a higher low, higher highs and a higher low, higher high, a higher low. Then we currently have a higher high around this level, just like this, which we may be experiencing a higher lows coming to this level. Then we expect a push up. I'm going to change the color to black right now. So as you guys can see, this is it, all right? And this is what the trend is telling us right now. This is what the market trend is telling us. Market is telling us that US30 is currently on a bullish move. So I'm going to have to draw this key level here. So it's a resistance here and also a resistance here. And right now, that is where the market is right now, a resistance around that level before that drop, all right? So I'm going to have to reduce this one, delete it just like this, and bring this one here. So if daily time frame is bullish, then 4 hour time frame is bullish. That means we should be looking for a bullish move, all right? We should be looking for buying opportunity only on this market this week. That is what the market is currently telling us. So I'm going to drag this one and put it here. Okay, just like this. So we have a resistance, and also a resistance that price broke before pulling back to retest. But that retest, we did not have any retest there. That is to say, the market can either drop to that level again, or maybe the market may not drop to that level again. We don't know. All we just have to do is to mark the most important key level and see what the market is going to give to us. All right. So I'm going to take this one and keep it here. All right, so guys, this is a support here. Okay, now let me bring it here. This is a resistance. Price broke, turn into a support, and also a support here. Then it is now a resistance here before price drop and start giving us a series of lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high before this inverse head and shoulder pattern. All right, let's continue. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And just before that 1 hour time frame, if you guys notice here, we have this clean trend line. uh okay, I'm going to change that color to, okay, so this is the clean trend line, right? So we have the first touch, second, third, and right now the fourth did not happen here. If the market decide to drop, you all know what we do already, then that is where the market is dropping to, all right? But other than that, we are going to use our Fibonacci retracement to confirm the level which the market may be coming to for a retest. Okay, Nigeria, thank you. Gold Zone, okay, HQ, that's the name showing here. Thank you for the fire emoji. So as you guys can see here, this is the recent lower low, right? So let's say we have a higher high, a higher low, sorry, a higher high, not a lower low, higher low here. Now that is the level where we are going to take Fibonacci from a swing low here to the swing high, just like this. I'm going to change this color of this Fibonacci to black. All right. So right now, this is a 618 golden level and a zero point 0.5. That's to say that's the level that the market is going to retrace to. If the market is coming down, then the market is going to retrace to this level, retest here, and start heading to the upside, which is going to give us like a POI, point of interest, around this level. It's going to be H4 POI. I'm going to go to setting H4. Okay, so it's going to be a H4 POI around there. I'm just going to change that color to blue. Oh, yeah, that's so good. Okay, sorry. Okay, so that blue line is going to be H4 POI around there, right? Um, so some of you are just coming in, going out, coming in, going out. I guess that's network. Just give me a second. Let me fix something here. Okay, so guys, this blue line here is going to be H4 POI. which is where we should be expecting the market to come retest on, so that we can look for buying opportunity. All right, so let's check the 1 hour time frame and see. So do we have any other key level in this middle? Do we have any other key level here at this middle? Let's shrink. Okay, guys, there is a clean key level there. All right. So as you guys can see, it's a support here from back, support here, and also a support broke down into a resistance, and also a support here right now, which give us this clean key level here. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. We have a resistance here, and if I should clone this one right now, this is another clean key level here also. Okay, great. And I'm going to have to reduce this one a little bit, and also see if I can reduce this one so that the key levels won't start getting bigger and bigger when we are heading to the smaller time frame. All right, so guys, currently the market has changed. All right, so the market that you know before is not what we are experiencing right now. And what we did, the only thing we did was to refine our system. All right, so it is still the same strategy. Well, it is just a refine that we refined, all right, which is to say we changed our entry model, which is the way we enter trade. It is no longer a 9:30 a.m. breakout, but a break and retest right now on the 1 hour time frame or on the 30-minute time frame. Then we look for our buying opportunity. That's the simple thing we are seeing from the market. That's the simple thing we are trading from the market right now. All right, so I'm going to change this color to black. Just like this. So we have a resistance zone there. That one may still be valid. So we are going to identify it as the H1 key level. Okay, just like that. So guys, this is what I'm expecting. Price should either drop to this H4 POI key level of 47,900 and sorry. Okay, I just missed it. So now either price should drop to this key level of 47, this H4 POI of 48,928.9, pull back just like this to retest on it and start heading to the upside, or price should break this. Let me just do that real quick. So, or price should break this key level above here, just push to the upside, break, pull back, retest, or give us a retest just like this. So we can continue the bullish move that we are having since last week, all right? Okay. I'm going to keep this one here. It's simple. This is what we're seeing from the market currently on US 30. Let me just plot it there so you guys will have to understand what I'm trying to say. Either price come to this level, we buy, or price should break above this level, pull back, retest just like this. Then simple, just like this, all right? So guys, this is what we're expecting from US 30, and right now we are going to jump to another. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Let's continue. So this is S&P 500 right now. We are going to move to the S&P 500 has taken out this resistance, the all-time high of this resistance that we're seeing currently. So we are going to mark the daily support right now on S&P 500. Daily support key level, and we'll mark the daily resistance key level. As you guys can see here, S&P 500 has taken out that resistance already. That's to say we will continue looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, key level here. So let's jump to the 4 hour time frame real quick and see. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame right now, guys, S&P 500 is still bullish. So we are going to mark the important key levels we are seeing here. Okay, so this is a resistance zone, and S&P 500 has taken that level out already. And let's continue. Okay, so this is another important key level we've seen here, and I'm also going to plot this one here also. I don't think price will be coming down like this to this level on S&P 500 anymore. But let's continue our analysis, all right? And heading to the 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having currently. S&P 500 is currently at the all-time high right now, right? This is it. And now looking from the swing low, we are going to take our Fibonacci from the swing low here to the swing low here to the swing high, just like this, around this level. That's to say S&P 500 will be coming around this level to retest here, or to retest at this 618 golden level, but there's no key level there for us to see that S&P 500 is going to retest on it. There's no key level there, so I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, let's continue. So we are going to mark the next key level. Let me clone this one. We are going to mark this one. So guys, we should be expecting S&P 500 to drop to this level, just like this. But right now, if S&P 500 is dropping to that level, then we need a support around this level, which is what we are having here currently. All right. So now, if S&P 500 is dropping, then we need a break, pullback, a retest before dropping to this level. Then we look for a counter trend trade, a support, a break, pullback to retest on this support. Then we do what? We look for a selling opportunity, or we wait for price to break above this level, just like this. Then we wait for a buying opportunity. Simple. And that is what I'm seeing from S&P 500 right now, just like this. All right. I'm going to be dropping all this trade on our free Telegram group. If you're not in the free Telegram group, you may do well to join there right now, as I will be dropping trade there from next week, all right? From this week Monday. So right now, guys, this is what I'm seeing here on gold currently. As you guys can see, we have a support here that was broken, turning to resistance, which is our current resistance, daily resistance. I'm not going to go far there on gold. Daily resistance, key level, just like that. Then I'm going to come here. This is going to be our daily support key level. Daily support key level. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm seeing here on the daily time frame on gold. Currently, gold is the trend for this gold is not that looking, it's not looking that clean though. Okay, so this we are going to be looking at gold in this middle, right? So we have a resistance here. If I extend to this level, so that resistance was broke, pullback turned into a support around here, and I'm going to clone it and bring it here also. Right. So I'm going to bring it there. Okay. Even this one here, just like this. Okay. And I'm going to drop this one here also. So this is what I'm seeing here on the 4 hour time frame on gold. Gold is not the trend of this gold is not looking that good. All right. So we are just having a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but it's not looking flat around here. All right. That is to say, we either expect gold to break this killer pullback retest and start heading to the upside, or break below, just like the pullback retest is started into the downside. That is what we're seeing from gold currently. But before we jump to the 1 hour time frame, I am seeing another important key level here, that if gold break this resistance on, what is the next key level that gold will be heading to, which is this one, which is the H4 key level, just like this, right? So let's continue. Okay, let's leave that key level there for now, because we don't even know if gold is going to the upside yet. But so we are going to have to reduce. I'm going to drop it here. Then we have to reduce this one. Okay, and we are going to have to reduce this one also. Okay, and I'm going to have to reduce this one. So guys, this what is the next key level we are having on gold right now? This one here. Okay, so and gold has currently taken out that key level, which is to say gold may still be what? May still be dropping. But using Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high around here, it is saying gold is currently at the zero point 0.5 key level, which may be pushing gold to the upside, or gold may still be coming down to one of this level here. We don't know. Tomorrow is Monday and it is a new week already. We don't know what gold is going to do. We may wake up and see gold skyrocket with a gap. All right, that is that on that. I'm going to review this one and bring it here. That is 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to bring this one here. All right, so let's jump to the 30-minute time frame and see if we. Okay, now guys, let's use the trend line from the first touch here, second touch, just like this. Um, this. So first touch, second touch, third touch here. So gold may still be coming down to this level before we look for a buying opportunity on gold, right? And on here we have this resistance zone here, the 30-minute resistance zone, which say gold can, if gold pulls to the upside, then it will just break this one. This is the level that will be looking to buy gold only, and also this level. These are the two level I will be looking to buy gold. So this level is going to be my POI zone, point of interest. This level here, I'm going to come here and so that is 48.80, and continue pushing to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting from gold for the week. All right. So I'm just looking for only 3 to 4 trade for the week, and I'm good. So right now, let's jump to the currency pair, and the first one we are having here is Euro USD. All right, and Euro USD right now is currently flat, right? So based on what is going on in the market, based on the news and all of that, the Iran war, the and all those things, I prefer trading currencies that don't have what is it called? I prefer trading currencies that don't have US dollar in them. I'm talking about currency like Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and all of that. So we have GBP JPY, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, NZD JPY around here. But we are going to try and analyze these ones to see. But right now, Euro USD is even moving sideways on a daily time frame still. But we are going to try and analyze it and see what the market gives to us for the week. And yeah, that is it. Price was currently bullish around here, this level here. Price is bullish, and based on what we are seeing here right now, price is currently dropping. Right, it may be a retracement. We don't know because it is moving sideways. It is not on a clean trend. So we have this resistance zone on Euro USD. So we have a resistance and a resistance. So I'm going to come here and identify this one, daily resistance key level, just like this, and we have a daily support key level, just like this. So guys, this analysis I'm doing here is what I'm going to be holding for the coming week. All right, is what I'm going to be holding and trading for the coming week. So now this is the H4 time frame and on Euro USD. Now on the H4 time frame on Euro USD right now, we have a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low. And right now it is still the same higher high that we are having. What are we expecting? The higher lows around this level, then we look for buying opportunity, which is very, very clean here. All right. So I'm going to have to keep this one here, just like this. Resistance, price broke, pullback, retails around this level. I'm going to have to clone this one also and bring it here, just like this, right? And that is the level that price should be coming to. And I'm also going to be cloning this one. I'll clone this one right now, bring it here, just like this. All right, that's to say if price take out this level right now, give us a higher low around here, where is it going to break this one, respect this one? All right, so that's the main reason for that key level around here. And as you guys can see, it's a resistance, and right now it is still a resistance around this level. So Right now, I'm going to use a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high to see. Okay, so guys, this is zero point 0.5 and this is 618. That is to tell us that price is going to stop at this zero point 0.5 instead and start pushing to the upside, or price is going to stop at this 618 and start pushing to the upside. Now, let's see if we have any strong key level coming from the back here that we can plot. Okay. Okay, that is where the market currently is. If I should drop this one just like this. Okay, guys, this is where the market currently is right now. Um, it's a resistance here, and right now it is support, and that is zero point 0.5. That's to say, price can also turn from that level, right? Let's continue on the H1 time frame and see. H1. Even from the H1 time frame right now, let's use a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. So you guys can see this is still 0.5 and this is 618, right? So that's to say price can either stop at this key level, one of these key level, and start heading to the upside, right? We don't know the one that price is going to stop at, but if price give us a confirmation, retest and give us a confirmation at the first one, you all know what we do. We look for a what? For a buying opportunity around there. I'm going to have to reduce this one. Okay, so guys, this is it. All right, so this is what I'm expecting from the market this week on Euro USD. Price should either respect this one or respect this one, but I am going to identify this one as a POI because that is where the 4R is confirming as the POI too. So this is going to be a H4 POI, point of interest. You all know what that is, right? So and this is another key level that I'm looking at right now, just like this. Because of what? Price may still break this key level above, just like this pullback retest, and we look for long, right? So it's going to be here, just like this, all right? Or price should pull back to this POI zone, point of interest. Then we can look for a buying opportunity from here, stop loss below here, and TP around 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever you want to target, all right? So guys, that is what I'm expecting from Euro USD right now. And just before we continue, if you guys can hear me, can I see some fire emoji in the comment section before we continue? If you can hear me, I just want to see some fire emoji in the comment section before we continue, right? If you can hear me, can I see some fire emoji in the comment section before we continue? Okay, guys. So thank you guys for the fire emoji. Thank you. Good. Okay, go zone HQ1. Thank you for the fire emoji, Michael. Thank you for the fire emoji, Celestine Christian. Thank you for the fire emoji. I appreciate you guys for joining. Right. So now, this is so this is GBP JPY, and we are going to go to the daily time frame. GBP/JPY also took out the all-time high around here, which has been consolidating for a very long time now. All right. So it took it out, and the trend is currently bullish. Even when we use Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, price is telling us that if it's retracing, it's going to retrace to this level or this level. And this is one thing that USD, this whatever, this GBP/JPY, this is one thing that it does. All right. So GBP/JPY, when you have a key level like this, obvious key level, GBP/JPY will not respect it straight. It will give you an overextension to either at the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci golden level or to 618, then leave you a weak rejection all the way to the upside there before pushing to the main trend, to the main direction, right? So that is how GBP/JPY move. And this is the daily time frame right now. I don't really trade GBP/JPY that much. You all know I don't trade currencies, and even I don't really trade other instruments like that. I just start trading them recently, right? And they are really working well because our system has changed and we will not focus on only US30 for now. That is the main reason why we are adding other instruments. And one thing that I still want you guys to know is that US30 may be my main instrument. I may be trading it, making money from it. It may favor me, but it may not favor some of you guys. That's just one thing you need to understand. So that is the main reason why I am adding other instruments, right? So, and this is another key level here, a daily key level, but I'm going to change this one to a H4 key level right now. A H4 key level. And yeah, H4 key level, guys. That is it. That's what I'm seeing there right now. And currently, we have this key level here. If price is dropping, guys, if price is dropping, then price may literally push to the upside around there before dropping to the downside, all right? So that is what I'm seeing currently on GBP JPY, right? So this is going to be, I'm going to drop this one here, come here, and H4 key level. This is going to be POI, H4 POI key level. POI, not PI. Okay. That is it. So that's to say what? Price is going to push to the upside, then just like the retest and start dropping, just like this. At that key level of 214.930, right? So let's see if I already found the POI already, right? I already found it already. But at the same time, we are going to look for other important key level in case price decide to drop, all right? Okay. This is going to be our H4 key level. And that is the only key level I'm seeing here in the market, valid one. I'm seeing here in the market right now. So we are going to jump to the 1 hour time frame real quick to see if we have another key level here. It's more important. Okay, guys, this is it, all right? This is what I'm seeing here. And this key level right now is going to be our POI also, because that's the level we are waiting for price to come retest on the daily time frame and also on the 4 hour time frame. So this level is going to be a POI too, POI key level. All right, because if price is dropping, we are expecting it to come here. All right, and yeah, we are expecting price to come here. So that is going to be our POI, point of interest. But if we take our Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, let's see, it's saying price, instead of price to respect this H4 POI and start going to the upside, it is going to give us an overextension to this key level of this golden level, Fibonacci golden level of this 0.5 or this 600. So when you see this market start giving us overextension, just know that that is exactly what it's doing, but it is going to pull back again. All right, so I'm going to look for key level around that level, around that one. Okay, beautiful. So we have a support here, turn into a resistance, a support, and also extend to this level and also around this level, right? So it's simple, guys. This is what I'm expecting from the market. But this is the first POI, point of interest, this one here. All right, this one above. That is where I'll be expecting price to come retest on. Then we are good to go, right? So, and right now, what if price did not retest around that level, guys? Then this is another support zone, all right, that we should pay attention to. But market can do anything, but I don't think price is going to break this level first. This is the level we should be expecting price to come retest on, which is our POI, so that we can look for a selling opportunity just like this. Come here, 20. Let's see. Okay, just like this, guys. We'll target in 1 to 3 hours. Now, if it comes to this level first and we execute our trade from any of this level, we can hold all the way to this level. Do you understand? So that's just one thing you need to know about. We are expecting from GBP JPY for the week. Just like that, right? So let's check the next pair, which is Euro JPY. And I guess it is doing the same thing with USD JPY. Guys, don't worry. We spent around 51 minutes here. We will soon round up, right? We'll be rounding up soon. And this is Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY is looking good. And this is the daily time frame. So we are going to mark our daily support around here, just like this, daily support key level. And Okay, guys, just be patient and we are rounding up soon, right? So now, we have a daily support key level here, just like this, and we have our resistance key level, just like this, all right, and resistance daily resistance key level, just like this. And now, when we take our Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, just like this, it price is telling us that Euro JPY may be coming down to this level to retest. Then we can continue our bullish move, right? So now I'm going to come and mark this key level here. Okay, just like this. And also, this is another key level we are seeing here currently. Uh, this is it, which is our POI, all right? Okay, so H4 POI. Okay, it's just looking like, okay, it's looking the same with Euro JPY, right? So we just want price to push to this H4 POI key level of 187.135. So we can look for a selling opportunity, and that is what we're seeing currently from the market, right? That is what I'm seeing currently from Euro JPY. All these instruments, they are very clean. Yeah, this instrument, they are very, very clean for instruments are very, very clean for for trading this week. All right. Uh, okay, and I'm also going to plot this one here, just like this. All right. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and okay. So guys, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to push to the upside, retest on this H4 PY, so that we can look forward, so that we can look for a selling opportunity from there. All right. And also, this is another support zone. If price did not head to that level, then price should break this support zone, pull back, retest, then we look for a selling opportunity before we look for any buying opportunity around this level, right? So now let's see if this is a daily POI too, guys. Remember, this is a daily POI. We also have this daily key level around here, which is very, very, very important too, that we should pay attention to, all right? So this is just going to be a POI zone, H4. Okay, H4 POI key level. Um, okay. Guys, so this is what I'm expecting. It is very, very simple. The same thing, just like the Euro, just like the GBP, JPY, right? It's simple. Now we are going to look for Euro JPY. Like I said, we are looking more of I'll be looking more of JPY pairs this week because of this war stuff, all right? So let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see if we have any important clinky level here that we should pay attention to. All right, so looking at this level, we have a resistance on H4 resistance. I'm going to identify that level as a H4 resistance key level. And okay, looking at this one, we also clone this one and bring it down here. Okay, I'm going to bring this one down here. Then H4 key level. And guys, this is the next one here, which is our POI zone. This one, just like this. So I'm going to draw rectangle box just like this. Bring it here. Okay. Okay, so that's our POI zone, point of interest. Guys, we are just waiting for a retest on all those things so that we can take advantage of the selling opportunity before we talk about any buying opportunity. If you can see on this AJ, which is AUDJPY, guys, as you can see around there, it is that's just a double top there, right? So we are going to identify this one as our H4PY zone, right? So we'll just be waiting for a retest around that level to look for a selling opportunity after that retest. That is what we are seeing there. It is very, very simple. We just have to pay attention to it. After a confirmation, a candlestick confirmation, then you all know what we do. We look for a selling opportunity around there, right? And yeah, that is it. So I'm going to bring this one here, plot it here. If price did not get to this key level, then price should break below this key level retest. Then we can look for a selling opportunity. The same thing is happening on what? GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, and also AUD, JPY. Now let's go to this NZD, JPY right now. NZD, JPY. And let's go to the daily time frame and see. NZD-JPY is consolidating on the daily time frame, and I don't like consolidation. Um, no. I'm not going to be trading NZD-JPY. I'm not seeing anything here to trade, but maybe later in the week. Okay, let's check the 4-hour time frame again. Okay, so we have a resistance and price is dropping. I'm not going to be trading what's it called, NZD-JPY. So now let's look for Euro GBP. I don't like this type of market. It's Euro GBP. I don't like it. But maybe inside the week we can still see a clean setup, a clean move, so that we can look for a setup there. This Euro GBP, I'm not going to be trading it. I'll remove it. And let's go to Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD is looking good. Currently moving on a bearish move. And okay, guys, Euro AUD is currently moving on a bearish move. So we are going to mark our daily resistance here, just like that. I'll go to setting daily resistance key level, and we mark our daily support key level too. Daily support key level here. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame real quick to see what the price hold for us. Let's see what the market hold for us here, guys. I'm gonna put this one here, and so this is another strong key level here that we should pay attention to, which is important because if price get to that level, it is going to respect it. This is another one here. So we have a H4 support level here, which is currently looking like our POI zone, point of interest. Okay, even this level also, guys, this one of resistance, H4 key level, and price is closer to that one already, H4 key level, right? So I'm going to have to clone this one and put it here. So guys, with what I'm seeing here right now, I will be expecting price to push to this key level, which is the H4 POI zone. That's going to be our H4 POI zone. Price to push to that level, then we look for a what? H4 POI. We look for a selling opportunity. Now let's jump to the 1-hour time frame real quick and see. If price start pushing to that key level, guys, just know that price is trying to go retest around that level, then pull back to retest. But other than that, I am also seeing another key level here, right, which is the resistance key level. And yeah, guys, so if price should break this key level just like this, pull back, retest, then price is heading to this level before dropping, which is going to take like going to take a long time. Currency pair is slow, all right. So this one in particular is going to take time. This one in particular is going to take time, right? Okay, guys, let's see. See, this one in particular is going to take time. This type of setup is going to take time because the market, this one is currency pair is slow, right? And before you get to this level, it's going to take time. But guys, this is what I'm seeing from this market right now on Euro AUD. And which one is this Euro card? Let's see H4 key level. Okay, so Euro card was on a clean bullish move, and it start pushing into a bearish move. Let me check the daily time frame again. let's see, okay, it start dropping from this level, right? Which is to say, price may be looking to sell this week on what's it called, on the Euro card, right? Okay, let's quickly analyze the Euro card. Let's see. So we have this H4 key level, H4 resistance key level here, just like this. I'm going to plot it here, H4 resistance, and so we are going to identify this one as the H4 support here, which is where the price may be heading to. And we're going to plot this one here. So guys, if price, depend on what price do here or how price behaves here, right? So if price break this key level, pull back retest, then you know we will be looking for a selling opportunity, a buying opportunity. This is it around this level. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to have to reduce this one and also reduce this one, just like this, and also reduce this one just like this, right? And I'm still seeing another clean key level here, just like this. Okay, guys, so now this is what I'm expecting from the market. Either the market should push to the upside, break the scale of pullback retest. We should be looking for a buying opportunity around that one, around that side. Other than that, then the market should break this support key level, just like this pullback retest. Then we look for a selling opportunity. That is what I'm seeing on Eurocard right now. Okay, let me see. This market is not looking clean, so I'm not going to be going for this one. Euro CHF and also Euro NZD. Euro NZD. So I'm going to mark the daily resistance right now on Euro NZD, just like this. Daily resistance key level, and so this is going to be our daily support. Daily support key level. And okay, let's move. Let's jump to the 4-hour time frame and see. Okay, this instrument, this currency pair should be a very slow one. From the look of things here, it should be very slow. But other than that, let's continue plot our key level. So we have a resistance zone. The only thing I'm seeing from here right now is just to wait for a break and retest above this key level. Then I should look for a buying opportunity just like this. Right, this is the only thing I'm seeing here on this currency. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything looking that clean for us to buy or to sell. And from this one, Euro GBP, I'm going to take it out. And USD card, let's check the daily time frame. Okay, now guys, this is the daily time frame on USD card currently. A USD card is not looking that clean also for a buying opportunity. So this is not looking clean for any for execution for us to see any setup unless the 1 hour time frame and also the H4 time frame. Okay, guys, this USD card, we are gonna, okay guys, we are almost done, guys. We are almost done. I know some of you are tired already coming in and going out. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. So we go to the to daily. Okay, now this is the daily time frame on USD card. So this is going to be a daily resistance key level, just like this daily resistance key level, and also we are going to mark the daily support key level around here, just like this daily support key level. I'm going to turn that to S daily support key level, just like that. Let me close this thing. And okay guys, so this level right now, okay, now it's looking like this level is looking like market is going to turn from there. If we mark this one from the daily support here to the daily resistance, sorry, from the swing low to the swing high, this is 618, and 618 price is rejecting from there. That's to say euro that USD card can push from this level and start heading to the upside for the week, all right? Which is heading to this key level around here, which is that resistance. And so we are going to head to 4-hour time frame right now to see if we have any good structure for Euro USD card to break, all right? So let's say this is support zone. We have a support zone. We have a support zone around here. And okay, I'm going to clone this one and bring it here. Okay, let me take this one and bring it here. Okay, just like this. And guys, let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we have a clean key level that price can break and give us um, that structure for a buying opportunity. So we have another clean key level here, guys, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to have to reduce this one so that it won't start getting bigger when we head to the smaller time frame. We are also on the 1 hour time frame. It's not small time frame. We don't execute trade on the 15 minute or 5 minute time frame anymore, right? We are executing our trade on the 1 hour time frame and 30 minute time frame, right? That is what we're trading right now, and we are no longer we don't take trade every day anymore because there's no setup every day anymore, right? So now this is simple. What I'm going to be waiting for right now on USD card is just a simple break and retest above here to confirm that the market is really heading to the upside, right? If not, I would have waited for the price here to come retest around that level. Okay, now let's leave that key level there. So it's going to be our H1 uh, key level. No, sorry. H1 key level, and that is going to be our POI, H1 POI key level, just like that. So that's to say we will be waiting for a retest below that level so that we can look for a buying opportunity, but it must be a strong one, right? So that we can look for buying opportunity, it must be a strong one. And on the 30-minute time frame, I guess price have retested that level already. Price retested the level already, but it is not a clean one yet. So um, we wait for price to break above this level before we talk about any buy at all on USD card, right? So now this is the final instrument, the final pair, currency pair. Um, okay, and I'm going to jump to the daily time frame, card JPY. I don't know if this instrument, this card JPY is a fast movement pair. Don't know if it's move fast. But okay, so we have a daily support, key level, and we are going to mark our daily resistance just like this. Daily resistance, key level, and yeah, let's jump to the 4 hour time frame real quick and see. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, price is giving us a simple series of higher highs and a higher low, higher highs and a higher low, higher highs here and a higher low, just like this. That's to say, we should be expecting price to push to the upside this week, all right? So on card JPY, okay. So and that is a clean resistance zone we are seeing there, and I'm going to have to clone this one also. That is another resistance zone we're seeing there. Okay, resistance that was broke turned into a support right here. I'm going to have to bring this one here, just like this, and also keep this one here just like this. Okay, simple. So let's head to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, great guys. I am seeing okay now. Okay, guys. So right now price may drop just like this. Before heading to the upside, and also Okay, guys, sorry. I guess the service was bad before, but we are back now, right? We are back now. Can you guys hear me? Sorry, the service was bad before. If you can hear me, can I see some fire emoji in the comment section before we still continue? We are almost done, guys. If you can hear me, can I see fire emoji before we continue? Right? If you can hear me, sorry, we are almost done. This is the last. Okay, great. Okay, great. Goes on. Okay. Thank you. I'm so sorry. That is the network. We are almost done, right? And this key level is going to be here right now. It's going to be here. And okay, this is the next one. And I'm also going to shrink this chart right now and reduce all these ones, all this key level. Okay, reduce them and also reduce this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. So guys, here's what I'm expecting on CAD JPY right now. A break, pullback, a retest just like this, then we look forward for a buying opportunity and we look to buy, right? Or price should drop to this key level just like this, and we look for a buying opportunity from here, right? But here is the most important one, this one here. If price break above that level, pull back to retest, then we all know what we do. We look for a selling opportunity, right? A buying opportunity, sorry. Yeah, and that is what I'm seeing from CAD JPY right now, right? That is what I'm seeing from CAD JPY right now. Guys, other than that, we are expecting, checking from US30. This is what we're expecting from US30 for the week, which is my main instrument, which is what I've been trading for years now, right? Let me see if I can. Okay, now nothing too crazy here, guys. Nothing too crazy here. Um, okay, guys. So this is it. Just expecting a retracement on US30, like what I told you guys. If we use a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, just like this, we have 618 golden level and also zero point 0.5 golden level, which is to say price may be coming to one of this level and pull back for a buying for a retest, then start heading to the upside, or price should break above this key level, pull back to retest, then we look for a buying opportunity above that key level. I'm going to have to delete this one with Fibonacci so that the chart won't look messy. Yeah, I'm going to keep it here. And guys, this is what I'm expecting from US30 for the week. This is just a recap right now. I'm trying to recap. This is what I'm expecting from US30 for the week right now. And yeah, I'll be dropping it in the free Telegram group. If you are not in the free Telegram group yet, make sure to join the free Telegram group after this meeting, all right? And from this okay, now, guys, from the what's it called? From this video here, all the description of all our services is in the description box. And if you want to apply for our mentorship, is there for our one-on-one mentorship is there. And also, if you want to join the 90 days traders, you can also join. Now the reason why that mentorship is called the 90 days trader, it is because if you join our mentorship in the 90 days with our blueprint and everything, you are supposed to become a profitable trader in the next 90 days. Becoming a profitable trader is not that difficult. Do you understand? And at the same time, it's not that easy. It's not difficult with the right mentor and with the right coach, all right? Yeah. So, and this is S&P 500, guys. This is what I'm expecting. That price break, pullback, retest, and start dropping, or price break this killer, pullback, retest, and start heading to the upside. Now, that is what I'm saying from the S&P 500, and S&P 500 is one of the most easiest stocks to trade. All right, it is one of the most easiest stock to trade. US30 is difficult, very, very, very difficult, and this is good. All right, so we take Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high right now, guys. Either gold pull back from this level and start heading to the upside, or respect the 618 and start heading to the upside. Right, so that's what we're expecting from gold right now. Yeah, that is what we are expecting. I am expecting from gold right now, guys. And this is another clean key level here, which is called the H1. H1. key level. Okay, and also Euro USD, guys. Not looking at anything too crazy on Euro USD. I'm just waiting for a retest. This POI is coming from the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, all right? That's to say, if price come to respect this 4 hour time frame, then we should be looking for a buying opportunity. But how about price break this key level, pull back retest just like this right here? What are we supposed to be doing? We should be looking for a buying opportunity still, all right, guys? So that's what I'm expecting from Euro USD for the week. This is just a recap right now. Uh, okay, this is just a recap. I'm going to reduce this one, bring it here. This might not be the stop loss, guys. I just put it here. All right, it might not be the stop loss. And Euro JPY, just a pullback to retest. Simple. We look for selling opportunity. Sorry, not Euro JPY, GBP JPY. And Euro JPY right now, the same thing, a pullback retest. We look for selling opportunity. And just this one here, pullback retest, we look for a selling opportunity. Break below, we look for selling opportunity also. And one of the instruments that I am not, these instruments, they are not that cool. So I'm going to have to remove this thing here, Euro AUD. I'll remove it. And the Euro card also, they are not clean to my liking. I'm going to take it off. Also, remove chart. I'm going to take it off. And let's check the Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD. They are not looking good to my satisfaction, and I'm going to take it off also. So, guys, this is to tell you that we cannot trade all the instrument in the market. All right, we cannot trade all the pair in the market also. So, and also this USD card, USD card is not moving clean to my satisfaction. Also, I'm going to take it off. All right, I'm going to take it off. And let's say we have a card JPY, which is one of the instruments that we are leaving here also. We are leaving this one here. All right, so we're not taking this one off. So as you can see, card JPY, guys, card JPY is clean. AUD JPY is clean. Euro JPY is clean. GBP JPY here is clean. And Euro USD here is clean too. But it is not that clean, but it is also clean, all right? H4 time frame is very, very clean on Euro JPY. Sorry, on USD JPY. For H4 time frame is very, very clean, as you guys can see. And this is our POI, right? And checking for gold right now, gold is looking clean, but not that clean also. Gold is one of the instruments that I don't really like trading. You understand? I don't really like trading gold like that so much. I can say if other instruments are like, I can say checking from my history on MetaTrader 5, gold is one instrument that gives me loss. You understand? And we'll try and be realistic with ourselves here. That is why I'm telling you, gold is one of the instruments that gives me a lot of loss, not the rest, not US30, right? So, guys, from all the instruments we are having here, they are very, very clean, and that is why we should pay attention to them, right? So, I'm going to shrink this US30 right now and see, and I'm going to reduce this one, this key level. I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce this key level just like this, push it off, just like that, right? Okay, and I'm going to have to reduce this one also. I'll reduce this one also. Um, and guys, this is another key level on US30. So a resistance resistance, and yeah. Uh, okay, thank you guys for the fire emoji. Thank you, my guys, for the fire emoji. Let me reduce this one also. Uh, okay, great. So, guys, this is what we're expecting from the market for the week. And other than that, I'm going to be updating you guys in the group. I'm going to be updating you guys in the group. I'll be updating you guys in the free Telegram group. And also for those of you in the 90 days boot camp, I'm going to be updating you also. All right. So see you guys in the uh, free Telegram and also in the 90 days trading boot camp. And guys, if you want to join the 90 days trading boot camp, it's our mentorship program that's currently going on. You can sign, you can check the link in the description box and also click on it and apply for the 90 days trading bootcamp. Or if you want our mentorship program, you can also one-on-one mentorship program. You can check there also. And yeah, join the free Telegram group. All right, join the free Telegram group, which I'll be dropping trades there every day. I can say for the week, not every day, like 3 times in a week. Guys, other than that, if you have a question, if you guys have a question, I'll be giving you 2 minutes to ask your questions before we call it a day from here. If you have a question, I'm going to be giving you 2 minutes to ask your question before we call it a day from here. If you have a question, listen to me. If you have a question, I'm going to be giving you 2 minutes to ask your question before we call it a day from here. All right. If you have a question, ask right now. I'm giving you 2 minutes to ask your question before we call it a day from here. And if you don't have a question, guys, I just want to see more fire emoji before we call it a day from here too. Okay, Dan FS. Um, okay, this hand saw me. So that's the name shown here. And Celestine, thank you for joining. Uh, Tizika, thank you for joining. And Gozon, thank you guys for joining. And Meka Dizzy, thank you. Good evening, or good evening to you. Oh, Sametochi, you decided to join us today. Thank you so much for joining. And also, Bayo, thank you for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Mike, thank you guys for joining. Shaka, thank you. Shaka, how have you been? It's been a while. So thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. If you have a question, just ask right now before we call it a day. And yeah, goes on. Thank you for the fire emoji. Thank you guys for the fire emoji. And I'm happy to have you guys here. I'm happy to have you guys here. Thank you guys for the fire emoji. So if there's no question, we call it a day from here. And if you have a question, you can chat me privately on Telegram. All right. Yeah. So see you guys on Monday. Peace.